What's up, YouTube? This is going to be a quick video about Vivaldi. I don't see a lot of YouTube videos on it, so I guess I'll make one. Um, this is like a new browser. It's not new, but it's like, I just figured it out, so it's new to me. And I think it's better than Chrome for a multitude of reasons. And I'm going to show you why. So, when you're downloading Vivaldi, it's going to look like this. It's going to have a startup page. And here, the main reason why I like it, because I have ADHD. You have the workspaces. The workspaces is like each workspace has the tabs that along with that category. Like this content this GovTech, this content creation. You feel me? It like separates things for you. That's not too crazy, but like everything all together adds up, right? And I also like the fact that you can X out, and when you come back, the tabs are still there. It like keeps my thoughts together. Like I know I can always no, it's just doing too much. Every time you have to reopen tabs and close tabs. I don't know. Pisses me off. And then here, you can add a task list. Again, ADHD, I need it. Every calendar. You can also put, these are kind of like bookmarks, but it like pops up to the side with it already there. This is my Notion. This is my Gmail. Then if you have a hard time putting tasks in your panel, you just have to connect your calendar down here to your account, like Gmail or something like that. It'll work. I also like that it's like its own account type of thing. Like Vivaldi itself has its own account, so you can log in on your laptop and all your tabs are gonna go to your laptop, so you don't have to even restart on your laptop. Isn't that just convenient? Yeah, what? We have this is your history, of course. This is your downloads here. And you're gonna have your regular bookmarks there. So instead of it being up here like Chrome, it's on the panel. I don't use mail. I got Gmail right here. What else? It has hella customization settings, but me, I'm a simple girl. All I need is light mode, dark mode. And I just selected this theme. I like this one. That is. What else did I want to talk about? That's really it. The workspaces, how you close the tabs, it's still there. You can use it on your laptop. Task. Everything's just so convenient on here, in my opinion. And it looks clean. So, start using Vivaldi today. Not sponsored, by the way, but they should sponsor me.